Let's put on a contact lens first. I chose a flax brown. There is a bit of gray. It's obvious even to my child prodigy eyes. It is very suitable for mental makeup suppression makeup. Then come and do a pre-makeup moisturizer. Spray evenly on the face. Then massage him with your hands to absorb. Wipe it upside down and your face is sticky. Then try it with a new liquid foundation today. I have not used this foundation brush. I especially want to try it. Take both sides evenly. Then brush it on your face. It looks really silky. But when it gets to the other side, a little bit is not enough. It is necessary to repeat and then pick up the powder. I don't know if my usage is correct, but it's okay to use. As for the nose side, you may need it. Focus on wiping it. Then use the remaining powder on the puff handle to remove it. Pat it open. The one I use should be considered a makeup foundation, but it can be quite moist. The eyes must be thin, not too thick. Easy eyelids have limits. Then use a brown plate. I also use this brush to get it directly here. I don't know. Why do you do this? Just a whim. When wearing makeup, always have some weird ideas. Set such a point, and then you puff it. Try to put him in place, then slowly move to the side. Smudge and pat open. Basically just shoot in place. Then if there is a more obvious borderline next to it, just give him another pat and press it. Here are the corners of the eyes and the bottom of the nose. Then take this light blush spot with your finger. Apply to cheekbones. I saved his powder extraction process this time. You can see my hand going down every time. When you move it, it is. Take powder or paste. This blush is the lighter one. Bring a little atmosphere. The color of the surrounding feeling is fine. And then the puff is pinched up here too. Just pat him as far as possible. The color should not be too heavy. Then use a brush to take this darker point and apply it. Probably a blush like a W shape. Sunburn blush. And then you puff it. It stays in place and smudges it up and down. I seem to have used at least 3 kinds of blushes for this makeup. take this BB cream. Then put a frame for the nose. When trimming with powder, in fact, the overall framework is similar. But this step is before setting makeup. Then use this brush to start smudging. Sweep the back of the nose. Then there will be a little bit in the middle of the bridge of the nose. Let him have a little shadow. Bring eye mist here. Here is also a base for the eyelids as a whole. Not so obvious, but it will have a little swelling reducing effect. The people here also deepen it for him a little bit. Lower eyeshadow too. This mainly deepens the second half. Then set your makeup. The nose is a place that loves oil. Be sure to order a few more times. Then shoot repeatedly. Take a picture of what you think. It's not sticky to the touch. It's completely matte. The eyelids are also here. If you can't set your makeup well, when you apply eyeshadow later, it will agglomerate easily. Same thing on the other side. Then use the trimming tray. This eyebrow here is colored. As a whole, fill in the color of your eyebrows first, and then you start framing it. Pull back. My personal eyebrows are relatively short, so I need to go back a bit longer. You need to have the whole eyebrow bag eye feeling. Deepen it a little bit towards the brow. The overall eyebrow shape is curved. Then add a little bit of fluffy glue. Put some fluff on the eye. It's all along the cat. It was drawn slowly and then it started to be painted vertically here. With the original hair tumor, there's that little bit of crossover feeling. Be gentle, be sure to be gentle. Then fill in a few more at the end of the eyebrow. Because didn't I say my eyebrows are short? It's the end of the eyebrow, but there is no hair. I need to add the color. Just make up a few hair tumors. Then use an eyebrow brush to brush in naturally. Just brush it a little bit. Use another eyebrow cream. It must be combed upside down here. Otherwise, he will always have that. The more obvious black is inside. Then just comb it on him along the hair stream. Reuse grooming. Let's go a little deeper. Because after removing makeup, the color of your facelift will fade. Of course, if you don't have the motivation demand, just take this step a little bit. Use a fluffier kind of brush. But if you are on camera, you can deepen it a little bit. Will appear more three-dimensional. Ollie didn't smudge it well, so smudge it again. Easy to use matte highlight. Brighten up the nose and draw a little triangle here. Then rub that much powder off for him. You can also use your fingers. Then the bridge of the nose, lighting on Yamane's side. See here, between the eyebrows and Yamane's nest. Also be considerate. This way the connection will be more natural. It makes the atrium a little bit shorter. The nose is baking, bake and set the makeup. And our brow bones. Just these two pieces can be kept for now without wiping them open. Wait until we're done drawing the eye before wiping it away. The color will be a little more obvious. Here I give him a beauty brush, swept away the fish meal next to it. Because we use this plate, then take a light brown one first. Give the eyelids a base as a whole. The upper and lower eyelids should be big. Then take a partial color. Deepen the root of the eyelashes. Just a little heavy color is fine. It won't be particularly obvious. Here you need to bring the overall lower eyeshadow. Then use this blush again. Deepen the eyeshadow. Take this dark brown. Deepen our eyes. Here, by the way, open your eyes a little bit. It's not that obvious. Just a little bit of color. So we're going to go a little bit deeper here. Rip off the paper in the second half of him first. Take the double eyelids from the back. Okay, here I'm using the second way to paste. Pull it after sticking it to the eye. Then hold down. Press to give him on time. Open your eyes and see the effect. Really obvious. This is the most satisfactory double eyelid I have ever pasted, haha. And then also very invisible closed eyes. It's almost colorless. It goes really well with the earth-colored eyeshadow. False eyelashes are attached to the root. Clip as hard as possible. Well, but don't curl your eyelashes either. Then the eyelashes are used as the base and only the roots are brushed. Brush only the root of each root. Post this piece today. Hold the middle position first. Stick it well and then adjust the end of the eye. Hello. Wow, just leave it at the door, thank you. Then use a clip to adjust the eye and stick it to it. Use your finger to push it towards the eyelids to stick more firmly. Check again for gaps, there are gaps. I didn't turn it back for him, it's a little more upturned. Then start filling in the inner eyeliner with eyeliner pen. This step is also longer. It takes a very good patience. Here with the tip of eyeliner. To fill in, poke. Because I'm the kind of multi-layered eyelashes, it is not easy to fill in. In fact, I see that the eyeliner filled in by others is very fast. But I can't. I have to fill it out, please. Okay, after the inner eyeliner is filled in here, don't rush to pull the tail out first. Don't rush to pull it out. Okay, open your eyes and take a look. Follow the direction of the eyelashes you see. Pull out in the direction where the eyelashes are warped. Look at the heel. The eyebrows and the one with the eyelashes are the same arc. Okay, and then start adjusting the overall shape. Squint your eyes and pick. Then slowly pick the right shape for him. Tune 2. It's when you open your eyes that it doesn't look that rugged. It feels good. It has to look flat when you open your eyes. or round. Okay, then adjust the end of the eye here. Here's a little eye opener. Click on taupe, and then smudge him with this dark brown. This way, the inner corner of the eye will be more natural. By the way, then brush the eyelashes. It's easier here. I almost did. So I just gave you a little snippet. Lower eyelashes are not important. Then copy and paste the other one. And then we use this pearlescent highlight. Brighten up our nose. Bridge of the nose. Then our eyebrow bones are bright. Look at our cheekbones. Okay, here's a greater than sign. The narrower the angle, the smaller the angle. It's this whole three-dimensional arc of feeling you. The degree will feel higher. Then use it here. Brush the details to light him up. Draw a small Westlake. Little Westlake. I'm gonna go even deeper here with this blush. Use our little iodine paintbrush because we don't want large scale. We want a small range of small W. And then we use this sheepskin comb all over the lower lip. This color is me. My favorite color in this brand. One of them. Here, try to draw a fuller picture of the lower lip because we're not going to use lip liner today. Then put the upper lip. Fill it with this small part inside. Okay, give it a twist. Then use a cotton swab to smudge the border naturally. We want the color of the lower lip to be heavier. Fill up. Then the upper lip can be lighter. Appears to have a thick mouth. The lip peak should also be slightly painted here. Go out a little. Then he really doesn't stick to the cup. I didn't believe it before, but I really don't drink. Then use this lipstick again. Smoke our blush. Here is using a slightly larger brush. Adjust the color as a whole. If it is with lipstick, the overall color will match better. Then use these two mixed colors. Still can't hold back. I didn't plan to draw aegyo saliva, but I couldn't hold back. Just a little bit. Let's draw the first half of the aegyo sal. It would be more mixed. Brighten up with this one. Brighten the aegyo saliva. That's the approximate makeup effect.